Okay,
Okay,
going.
so today I'm going to harvest the potatoes that I grew in the old sheep feed bags from the mill in Red Lion. And we've seen a million of these videos on YouTube of people harvesting potatoes, and everybody's always happy, and they always get a lot. So we'll see if I have the same luck with these feed bags. So here we go. These were planted in April, and it's now August 21. My friend the slug is happy here. Ooh! All the videos always have ooh! So it's mandatory to say that, but look at this one. Here's a nice one. It's got a weird shape, but it's beautiful. It's not green or ruined. And what I did was I just put the potatoes down at the bottom, the little seed potatoes, and then periodically added some straw on top to hill up, because I wasn't sure whether the potatoes I was planting were determinate, i.e. fixed length vines, or indeterminate, which is important if you're growing potatoes to know about, because the indeterminate potatoes, if you hill them up, they will continue to form potatoes the whole length of their vine, whereas the determinate potatoes do not. So this was an experiment that yielded a few potatoes. I'm not overwhelmed by the amount from that particular bag. Next year I probably will not use recycled sheep food bags. Here comes the next one. These are Katahdin potatoes. Oh, now this is a different variety of potato. These are blue potatoes. And you can see that they are blue. Let us hope they do not make me blue when I unearth the bounty. Ooh! In any event, I am again rather disturbed at the number of potatoes that we got, which is not many. That dirt clod looked very much like potato. So that particular bag I would call a fail as well. YouTubers tend not to post their failures, but I also love the fact that the word YouTuber may point to potato in a tuber form. So I'm not seeing many potatoes here. Lots of dirt clods, just a couple, 3 blue potatoes. I have one other bag to harvest. This is an official potato bag purchased from Amazon for this purpose. These are Kennebec potatoes, planted in March. We'll use the growth material in our raised beds later, so that's why we're dumping them out on the tarp. Okay, so I bought this bag to round out the purchase on Amazon to be able to get free shipping. So this was another experiment. And, ooh, ooh. We are finding some potatoes in this bag, which is pretty exciting. I was hoping with the sheep bags to be able to say, yes sir, 3 bags full. This is a big one, and I'm excited about that one. I'd say actually the green bag worked a lot better than the white bag, and some people think that may have to do with the heat of the bags. They recommend using green bags. You can also do this with recycled shopping bags like from the grocery store. But this stuff is really nicely broken down using the straw. I love the idea of not having to dig for the potatoes. But Again, these were planted in March, Kennebec potatoes, and just whenever the plant got what I would call too large, I would put more straw down in the bag. So that's that bag. I have one more bag to do. This bag, the plants haven't died back, but the potato farmer near me has already harvested his potatoes, and his plants hadn't died back either. So this is our final bag of potatoes. We hope. Oh, the slugs really are kind. That's a beautiful one right there. Oh, these are beautiful Kennebec potatoes. One bag had seed potatoes that I purchased. The other bag had leftover potatoes from last year. And these are beautiful. So I will use the green bags again next year. I hope that all of you who are interested in tubers enjoyed this. We'll harvest our potato towers later. I think those may be an epic fail as well. We have groundhogs who like to steal everything. Thanks for watching.